Hi, I'm Kimo Johnson, co-founder and chief science officer at GelSight. Today, human hands interact with objects in the world 1 trillion times per day. Many of these interactions are a fundamental part of business, from manufacturing goods to inspecting objects to packing boxes. And many of these are manual and have not been successfully digitized. Over the past decade, there have been tremendous advancements in AI on vision and audio data, but vision alone is not capable of providing a full understanding of the physical world. The core idea behind GelSight actually came from my postdoctoral advisor as he watched his infant daughter interact with the world through touch. He started thinking, what is the signal that she's getting out of her fingers, and how can we digitize that? And it was that idea that led to the creation of the GelSight sensor, a soft, high-resolution tactile sensor with an image sensor inside to capture detailed digital data. So during my postdoc, I helped develop the core technology, and then about 10 years ago, spun the company out with some co-founders. We've been very active in developing the technology for surface analytics, but in fact, we see much broader applications for it. So we're building a tactile intelligence platform that combines our core sensing technology with an artificial intelligence framework to develop diverse applications. Our flagship product is the GelSight Mobile, and this is a handheld surface inspection tool that can go down to the factory floor for making micron to millimeter scale measurements. It's commonly used for inspection, process development, quality control, but really what it's doing is it's replacing human hands in some of these applications where people were feeling components to try to decide if something is in or out of spec. Now we can have a detailed digital measurement. We've also developed different versions of the technology. In the center, we show a robotic finger that can go on a gripper and give robots a sense of touch. It provides information such as the pose of an object in the grasp, if the object is slipping, and this kind of tactile information is really essential for automating many tasks that are done by human hands today. And finally, last year, we introduced, in a partnership with Meta, a low-cost version of our technology called the Digit sensor. This is a sensor that's getting out into research labs all over the world, and it's designed such that people can get an experience with GelSight technology, and it's our vision that we want this technology to be the gold standard for tactile sensing. How does our technology compare to other technologies? Well, in the space of tactile sensing, we have unique advantages. It's soft, like human skin, but yet high resolution, which is very well matched to AI frameworks and a lot of stuff that's being done in deep learning today. In terms of surface analytics, the ease of use and the fact that our technology is insensitive to the optical properties of the material are really fundamental to our competitive advantage. It can be a handheld tool that goes into the hand of a union operator, and they can instantly get micron-level surface measurements without having to go to a measurement lab. What are the common use cases? Well, the most common use case today is, as I mentioned, doing surface measurements and inspections. And here's a picture of people using our system to inspect aspects of a wing. We have systems deployed to aerospace, automotive, and many different industries. Anytime where there's a little imperfection that needs to be characterized, it's a good match to what our system can do today. And in fact, we had one executive at Rolls-Royce say they don't know of any other tool that has the ease of use of the GelSight instrument. But thinking bigger, of all the places where human hands are used in manufacturing and other processes, getting our technology into robotic grippers such that the robot can feel the objects, that's really the next level of interactions. And in this image here, we're showing a partnership that we have with Magna Automotive, where they're deploying our technology into intelligent grasping. How can the robot feel and react to objects as it's grabbing them? And we see a lot of potential in that space. So what are we looking for? Well, this is a platform technology with lots of uses. If in your organization there are human hands being used for tasks, and especially things that are monotonous and things that, in fact, it's hard to find people to train to do these tasks, it could be a good application for GelSight technology to automate that tactile information. So whether it's surface measurements, analytics on surfaces, or, in fact, robotics tasks where people are moving things from one place to another or doing dexterous manipulation of objects, this could be a good example of where our technology can apply. And we have a live demo out there. We can give you a first-hand view of what GelSight is like, and we'd be happy to tell you about all the applications where it's being used today. Thank you.